you're not going to cough on your lover. I mean, maybe if you only just, do downstairs and no kissing.
I never downstairs.
Oh, Sergey, this is problem.
Never.
I will. I think you know the show Upstairs, Downstairs? You know this British TV show?
No.
Don't know it. Okay, well.
I hate it.
This is, you don't know something you hate. He's an idiot. You don't know what he's talking about. Okay, what is that? Okay, Saji. Welcome to Helen and Christian and Tali and Rani. Okay, what if we have other burning body part question? Outside burning love question due to the Rona. I love the Rona. People are saying this now? They just shorten it, Rona?
It's cute.
It is cute. I like.